Today we are going to see the supplementary lesson, A Childhood in Malabar, written by Kamala Das, and this is a lesson prescribed for 6th standard. Kamala Das was born on 31st March 1934. Her real name is Madhavikutty. Kamala Suraya, popularly known by her one-time pen name Madhavikutty and married name Kamala Das, was an Indian poet in English as well as an author in Malayalam. A Childhood in Malabar is a reminiscence of a stormy day at her grandparents' house in the village of Kerala. A Childhood in Malabar talks about her unforgettable memories of experiencing a cyclone during her childhood days. Both Kamala Das and her brother were invited to the feast of someone's birthday at Ambalathil, and it was on such a day there was a cyclone. This is her grandmother, and the next is her grandmother's house, and it is here that Kamala Das experienced a cyclone. This is a serpent shrine. Malathikutty took Kamala Das and her elder brother to this shrine before lunch, and they watched Meenakshi Adathi setting out turmeric, milk and bananas for the snakes. Meenakshi Adathi was a distant relative of the Ambalathil family. She was very poor, and she was a dark-skinned and middle-aged lady. She spent her time rushing around the house and compound. She never stopped for rest, and she performed certain duties like lighting all the lamps at dusk, churning the curd and taking out the butter for the children, and drawing designs with rice batter on the door on the day of the Nira festival. And though there were so many servants to carry out other tasks, Kamala Das says that Meenakshi Adathi was the only one who knew how much paddy should be boiled each time to make enough rice for the household members. Kamala Das received the information from Meenakshi Adathi that snakes come out only in the absence of human beings. Then she felt very sleepy after lunch. Barely an hour after they reached home, they heard the sound of a strong wind. The wind tore through the coconut palms with a frightening roar. Branches shook, even the seat of the swing, which was tied on the ilanji tree, fell down. Ammamma, that is her mother's mother, gave them a metal dice to play with. Since the light was very dim, she lit a brass lamp, and when she was doing this, Muttashi, that is her father's mother, called out and asked Ammamma to close all the windows. They suddenly heard the sound of the rain from the southwest, like the roar of a vast crowd of people. Using all her force, Amama closed all the windows. Raindrops glimmered on her face. Amama said, "It's not even 4, but it's pitch dark outside." Just then, Malathikutti started crying and she said that she wanted to go to Ambalathil to see Kuttiyappu. Ammamma comforted her and said that she could go there once the rain stopped. As they were talking, they heard a coconut palm crashing down. Leaves of trees fell down due to heavy rain. The central hall was totally filled with water. It was overflowing. Just then, Kuttiyappu came drenched in the rain. Cheriyamma asked them to chant slogans so that they could be free from fear. Ammaman and Ammayi went upstairs. Just then, a servant woman started crying. She said that she wanted to go home. Muttashi comforted her by telling that she could go home tomorrow as soon as the rain stops. But she would not listen to what Muttashi was telling and she continued sobbing. Just then they heard trees crashing to the ground and a dog whinnying in the western yard. Ammamma asked Shankaran Nair to bring all the cows and then tie them in the washing area outside the kitchen. She felt that the cowshed would break down, but Shankaran Nair said that the cowshed won't fall down and its beams are very strong. So Amama agreed to what Shankaran Nair said and allowed the cows to stay there in the cowshed. This is the picture of a coconut tree which has fallen down due to cyclone. There was knee deep water in the yard, and Kamala Das wanted to swim. So her elder brother, that is Etan, told her that she could swim in the courtyard. So Kamala Das went to the courtyard and then she put her hand in the ice cold water. Seeing this, her Amama said not to play in the water. So everyone climbed back on the bed. Just then, they heard someone knocking on the door on the southern side. Shankaran Nair opened it. A dog stood on the veranda. It was dripping wet. It was Tumbi, the black and white pet dog from Ambalathil house. Kamala Das and her brother looked at Tumbi, which was totally drenched. He was shivering in the cold. Shankaran Nair spread a gunny bag on the veranda so that the dog could lie down. Tumbi lay down on the gunny bags and looked contentedly at Kamala Das and her brother. They spent the whole night in the southern room. When they woke up, they saw that the rain had stopped. Morning, the rain had stopped. A young man came in the morning and informed that he had come from Badagara. He had come there to see if everyone was safe. As a child, Kamala Das asked if he had brought murukus or dates. The man said that he had come empty handed and had brought nothing, and he displayed his buck teeth. Ammamma sealed her for asking things like murukus and dates, especially at the time of cyclone. Kamala Das felt ashamed. Brother's wife in Malayalam is Edathi. Elder brother in Malayalam is Etan. Mother's mother, the term used for it in Malayalam is Ammamma. Father's mother, for this the Malayalam term is Muttashi. Backyard in Malayalam is Tekkini. Mother-in-law in Malayalam is Ammai. Mother's younger sister is called as Cheriyamma in Malayalam. Say whether the following statements are true or false. Droplets of rain glimmered on Ammamma's face. So the answer is true. Malathi Kutti wanted to see Kuttiyappu. The answer is once again true. Ammai comforted Malathi Kutti when she sobbed. The answer is false. The coconut palm crashed down due to heavy rain. The answer is true. Choose the correct answer. Meenakshi Edathi was a blank relative of the Ambalathil family. The options are close, distant, real. The answer for this is distant. We suddenly heard the sound of the rain from the blank like a roar. The options are southeast, southwest, northeast. The answer for the second one is southwest. Next, the blank with 4 pillars began to overflow. The options are central hall, southern room, courtyard. The answer for this is central hall. Blank arrived drenched to the skin. The options are Ammamen, Cheriyamma, Ammai. The answer is Ammai. The last one, there was knee-deep water in the blank. The options are courtyard, cowshed, kitchen. The answer for this is courtyard. Identify the speaker or character. Why isn't the snake coming? The speaker is Kamala Das. I wonder whether it's a cyclone. The speaker is Ammamma. I want to see Kuttiyappu. The speaker is Malathi Kutti. Will the house collapse? The speaker is Muttashi. Is she crazy? The speaker is Muttashi.